yourself. So we're here at what could be one of the dodgiest places at Norton.
We're here in a tram shed. Is that right? A tram shed shack?
Fuck off. Why did you really want to come here?
I don't know, because it's got loads of cool graffiti and shit.
It has got lots of cool graffiti, that is true.
That's ace.
Whoa. Oh, the graffiti's well cool. Oh, I didn't see that. It's a Terminator.
Look at them there. Them fucking Muppets.
Oh, it's Muppets. Is it Muppets that?
Yeah. It's proper fucked to me, though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's knackered.
What's that guy's name?
This graffiti is so cool.
Look at that. Mortal Kombat. Raiden and Scorpion.
What am I looking at? Oh, whoa. Oh, it's bloody Mortal Kombat. Like with this place, there's absolutely no, like, nothing left from what it was.
This place is oh, bloody.
Oh, Mandark! What a smooth rat. It's like someone's been skating.
It's a bit wet. Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, 6 skateboards.
These what?
6 skateboards. I follow them on Instagram.
There you go, free advertising.
Trevor?
Oh, that looks like the fucking guy who actually did it, did it? Know what I mean? That is really fucking good.
Take a picture.
Take the picture.
It's weird how there's no tram tracks for trams, considering it's a tram shed. The world famous tram yard boot.
Oh, it's full of mud.
Get
It's boots like the part, like them things. You know what I mean? There's always something that's in a building, like them fucking books in that church, nicely placed.
Wait, what is your point, Al? What are you trying to say?
I knocked it over. Trying to say that everyone's like, ooh, the boot is on the wall. Fuck the boot on the wall.
Ooh, it continues, it continues. It goes all the way down there.
Oh, there was a bang.
Banging.
This looks like a fucking, this looks like a radio settlement on Fallout North.
It does look like a radio settlement, Mark. Big shout out to Sex Skateboards.
Why the fuck not? Why the fuck not?
How did you get out there?
I ain't a killer, but don't push me.
Climbing into the abyss.
Yeah, there's a mattress in here.
Get in it then.
Oh, shit. Hello, I'm TV and welcome to my crib.
No, careful now, because that is like leaning like that. Oh fuck! Fridge?
Catered for it.
Oh, there's some tuna steak in here. There is. It's in a tin, but it's not tuna steak nonetheless.
Sweet. Not bad. Not bad.
Oh, what would you describe that residence as?
How much would you charge? Fortnightly?
Well, it's close to the local transport. Nice artwork nearby.
That nice, that
Lots of facilities, furniture. Canal. 5-star.
There's got to be something in there, else no one had gone through that all that effort.
Well, someone went to all that effort on the other one.
Note in there. Nout. Sheffield's Tram Shed. Whatever you want to call it. It was too wet to skate. It's good to come and see all the graffiti. Apart from that, don't bother.
Meh.
I'm going to Things rattled his cage. You're right, camp out down here. It's time to pump up the jam. You just ugly anyway, it doesn't matter. The bond between a father and a son.
You were both meant to turn around when I did that, but whatever. Too late. Moment's gone.